Today we're going to be making 3 delicious Mediterranean sheet pan recipes. We're going to start with a chicken shawarma with vegetables, and then we're going to make a salmon with asparagus, and finally Mediterranean chickpeas with feta. Let's get cooking. We are beginning with one of my favorite Greek dishes, sheet pan chicken shawarma with yogurt sauce. I start by adding chicken thighs to a big bowl. And then the fun begins. I sprinkle the chicken with cumin, paprika, turmeric, coriander, a hint of cardamom and cloves, black pepper, and a good pinch of salt. Then I drizzle in plenty of extra virgin olive oil, squeeze in fresh lemon juice, and add chopped garlic. I mix it all until the chicken is completely coated in those gorgeous spices. If I'm on top of things, I marinate it overnight in the refrigerator, but even 30 minutes makes a big difference. While that flavor sinks in, I chop my veggies. Bell peppers into strips, red onions into big chunks, and cauliflower into small florets. I toss the marinated chicken with the marinade right in with the vegetables. Give it a good mix and spread everything out on a sheet pan, making sure nothing is crowded so it gets that beautiful roast. Into a hot 425-degree oven it goes. While it cooks, I whisk up a cooling yogurt sauce, thick Greek yogurt, grated garlic, lemon juice, salt, and a splash of olive oil. Simple, bright, and perfect. The chicken is done, and you want to make sure that you take the temperature, make sure it's at least 165 degrees, and you can see that the vegetables all cooked and browned nicely, and they're going to be nice and caramelized. Number 2 is sheet pan salmon with asparagus. For this one, I start by drizzling olive oil onto a parchment-lined sheet pan. No sticking, no cleanup drama. I place a salmon fillet in the center, skin side down, and scatter asparagus all around it like a little green border. I season everything with salt and pepper, then add fresh dill over the asparagus and tuck lemon slices across the top. A squeeze of lemon juice brightens it all up, and another drizzle of olive oil makes sure the asparagus gets nice and glossy. It goes into a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. I know it's done when a fork slides into the salmon like butter. What comes out is lemony, aromatic, and totally foolproof. The kind of dinner that makes you feel like you know exactly what you're doing in the kitchen. Next is sheet pan Mediterranean chickpeas with feta. For this last dish, I pour drained and rinsed chickpeas onto a sheet pan and start building color. Cherry tomatoes, chopped Kalamata olives, loosely chopped red onions, and thin slices of zucchini. It already looks like a Mediterranean market stand. Then I crumble feta over the whole thing. The more little pockets of cheesy goodness, the better. I drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil, squeeze fresh lemon juice, and sprinkle dried oregano plus salt and pepper. I bake it at 450 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes until the zucchini softens, the tomatoes burst, and everything gets lightly golden and caramelized. When it comes out, it's hearty, bright, and ridiculously delicious. Proof that vegetarian doesn't mean missing out. So let's plate all of these, and I'll show you what all 3 dishes look like. So there you have it, 3 delicious Mediterranean sheet pan recipes. Thanks for watching. If you want more recipes, check them out at mediterraneanliving.com. And as always, remember to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion. See you next time.